Hello, welcome to Soundop tutorials. In this video, we will focus on operations to customize workspaces. In Soundop, you can change the workspace for each type of project by changing the layout of toolbars and panels. For toolbars, you can drag a toolbar to change its position. Show or hide a toolbar, and show or hide a tool button. For panels, you can drag to change its position and size, show or hide a panel, maximize and restore a panel. Soundop supports workspace presets for the audio file editor and multitrack editor. To manage presets, you can use the Workspace menu to add a workspace, delete the current workspace, reset the current workspace, and update the current workspace. And you can set keyboard shortcuts to switch workspace. Some keyboard shortcuts for panels: show or hide the Start panel, show or hide the Markers panel, show the Editor panel, maximize and restore a panel. Well, that's all for now. Thanks for watching.